Ready? Start. Appellant is an advocate and a member of the Kerala Advocates Welfare Fund, hereinafter called the Fund Stop. That fund is constituted under the Kerala Advocates Welfare Fund Act 1980. For short, the Welfare Fund Act Stop. Section 16 of that Act is to the effect that the payment due to a member of the fund under that Act will be paid only on cessation of practice as defined in Section 2 (D) of that Act. Stop. Appellant sought a declaration that such provision is violative of Articles 14 and 19 (I) of the Constitution of India and the provisions of the Advocates Act 1961. Stop. That challenge failed at the hands of the learned single judge. Stop. Hence this appeal. Stop. Stanza. Heard the respective learned senior counsel for the appellant, the fund and the Bar Council of Kerala. Stop. The thrust of the submissions on behalf of the appellant is that the terms of Section 16 of the Act read with Section 2 (D), which defines the term cessation of practice, result in compelling an advocate to stop practice to receive the payments due to that person as a matter of the fund, and this results in depriving that advocate of the statutory eligibility to practice in terms of the provisions of the Advocates Act and the constitutional rights emanating out of Articles 14 and 19 (I) of the Constitution. Stop. It is argued that this is all the more so because such compulsion to stop practice as an advocate. Stop. Over.